Are you a mobile content creator who is ready to capture smooth and steady video with your new smartphone? Then grab yourself the S1 smartphone gimbal from PowerVision. A stylish and portable smartphone gimbal that is easy to use and easy to pack. It comes in 3 unique colors, plus it offers a sleek magnetic mounting, AI tracking, gesture control for hands-free recording, a built-in tripod for live streams, and it functions as a portable battery bank for your smartphone, and so much more. So let's roll. The PowerVision S1 is first and foremost a 3-axis gimbal, which means it will compensate for camera shake across the roll, pitch, and yaw axes of your smartphone camera. For instance, look at this shot with and without the S1 gimbal. The 3-axis motors will eliminate those handheld imperfections, resulting in buttery smooth cinematic moving shots, perfect for travel vloggers who are on the go. The motors of the S1 are quite impressive. I've attached my iPhone 13 Pro Max that weighs around 240 grams, and the S1 has zero problems balancing shots, which is saying something because the S1's load capacity is listed at only 200 grams. The sleek magnetic mounting clamp is clutch because it makes attaching your smartphone quick and easy. I also love that you can leave the clamp on your phone when it is not in use for faster impromptu attachments. The mount itself can hold a smartphone unit up to 6.4 inches long and 2.6 to 3.3 inches wide. It wraps around my iPhone 13 Pro Max quite snugly, but I'd have to take off my protective case for it to fit. The stylish and ultra-compact design makes this S1 incredibly portable because it can fold down into itself, making it ridiculously easy to slip into your pocket, backpack, or even a purse. If you like to live stream on Instagram or make TikTok videos at your desk, in between Zoom calls, the S1 has a built-in tripod that is easy to assemble so you can record your content hands-free. There's also a 1/4-20 thread on the bottom of the S1 if you want to attach a larger set of tripod legs. The functionality of the S1 is simple. The joystick controls the pan and tilt of the gimbal. If you press it 2 times, it resets the stabilizer to the center position. I use that all the time. Pressing it 3 times changes the camera from front to rear and vice versa. The power button, if you double tap, will change the orientation of the phone. The record button will snap a photo or start and stop recording. You'll also find a zoom rocker that will provide a nice zoom in or zoom out effect. Once you download the S1 Plus Vision app available on iOS and Android, creators can take full advantage of all the features the S1 has to offer, including AI tracking. Just activate gesture control on top of the screen and then show the open palm, and the app will immediately recognize your face and track it. Okay, I'm going to turn on gesture control right here at the top. There we go. Now to activate the active track, you simply make this gesture right here. It immediately grabs my face. You see the green square around my face. And I can start moving around. It's really responsive, actually. So if you move quick, it's going to stay with you. So it's great for any kind of active, content creator. So if you're doing an exercise routine, doing lunges, it's going to keep up with you really nicely. Now to trigger recording, you're going to make this gesture like that. Let's give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Boom. So right now you're recording. So now you can go ahead and do your workout routine. 1, 2, 3. Do your lunges. Lunges. And to stop recording, just make the same L. And it stops immediately, just like that. Really cool feature, the active track. Can't tell you how fast and easy it is. So to turn off this, you do that again. So, say you're ready to record, you do this. Boom, it's active, and then record. Within seconds, you're ready to rock. Within seconds, you're ready to record your content quickly and easily. I'm gonna stop it and turn off face track. Just like that. If you need to track a specific object, simply draw a square around the object and the S1 will lock on and follow it seamlessly. So if you're doing a product review and you want to do a cool 360 rotation, just lock onto the object, hit record, start moving around, and the gimbal will take care of the rest. iPhone users will also notice that the app recognizes the number of lenses your smartphone has. So within the app, I can take full advantage of each of the 3 lenses my iPhone 13 Pro Max has built in. This makes the wide-angle lens particularly useful, not just for vlogging, because you'll never have to worry about being outside the frame, but cinematic dolly shots that move through space with things moving past it. In my humble opinion, the wide-angle lens is best for achieving that floating camera effect. S1 Plus Vision app gives creators the ability to capture tons of different kinds of content, including time lapses, HD slow motion, 4K video, photos, plus a variety of panoramas, including my favorite, clone. Creators can also use the app to offload photos or videos for sharing and editing with filters and effects via the Bluetooth 5.0 connection. Depending on your level of experience, there is a manual exposure mode in the app that lets you set your shutter speed and ISO. But if you'd rather not worry about that, just leave it in auto exposure mode. The S1 has a built-in 1030 milliamp lithium-ion battery that has a ridiculous working runtime of 15 hours, and it can be charged up in just 2 hours via the USB-C port. However, thanks to this massive watt-hour capacity, the S1 doubles as a wireless power bank that delivers pass-through charging for your smartphone, which eliminates any anxiety about your smartphone's battery life while in the field. But what might be the coolest part of the S1 Plus Vision app is the PowerFollow feature. This allows creators to take full advantage of the stabilization and AI tracking of the S1 while simultaneously broadcasting live to another social media app, i.e. Instagram, TikTok, or even Zoom. When you open the app, click on PowerFollow, select Start Broadcast, then switch to your chosen streaming app, keeping the Vision app open in the background. Make a 5-finger open palm gesture, move around a bit to make sure it is following you, and then start chatting with your followers. It's that easy. Now recording video through my iPhone 13's camera app. I'm gonna do this. It activates, and now it's gonna track me. So even though I don't have the S1 app open, I'm actually currently using my built-in phone app on the iPhone. Because I'm using PowerFollow mode, the S1 app is actually telling the camera app to track me, which is kind of cool. So I can record just using my camera app without having to have the S1 app. You can also use this, it's great for even if you're gonna stream on TikTok or Instagram or Zoom call, you're giving a presentation, you gotta move around a lot. This is actually a great feature to have. So it works and it's fast and easy. I also want to mention that you can find a few PowerVision accessories on the B&H website that will help enhance the performance of the S1, like the PowerVision magnetic smartphone case, the magnetic universal phone mount, or the magnetic car mount. This unassuming and stylish smartphone gimbal really is a Swiss Army knife of content creating features. Any content creator with any level of experience can quickly and easily unfold the S1, attach the magnetic mount, and begin capturing stable, high-quality mobile content on the go. Or creators can unfold the built-in tripod, activate PowerFollow, and use AI tracking during their social media live streams. No matter what kind of mobile content you make, the PowerVision S1 smartphone gimbal is there to help. Is this your next smartphone gimbal? What kind of content would you make? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.